Have you ever wondered why tissue compatibility is so crucial in medical procedures? Picture this. A young woman, let's call her Jane, is in desperate need of a heart transplant. Despite the urgency, Jane can't just receive any heart. It needs to be compatible with her body. But what does that mean, and how do doctors ensure this compatibility? Well, it's a complex process involving both in vivo and in vitro assessment. Dive into the world of Jane. Jane's body, like everyone else's, has an immune system, a powerful defense mechanism that fights off invaders. Now imagine if Jane receives a heart that her body sees as an invader. Her immune system would attack it, leading to organ rejection, a severe and often life-threatening condition. So to prevent this, doctors need to ensure that the donated heart is as compatible as possible with Jane's body, and they do so through tissue compatibility testing. In vivo testing, or testing within a living organism, is the first step. Here, Jane's doctors would inject a small sample of the donor's cells into her body and monitor her immune response. If her immune system reacts aggressively, it suggests that the donor's heart may not be a match. If the immune response is minimal or non-existent, it's a good sign that the body will accept the heart. In vitro testing, or testing outside a living organism, is the next step. In this process, Jane's blood sample and the donor's tissue sample are mixed in a laboratory. The reaction between the two is observed. If the white blood cells in Jane's blood react violently to the donor's tissue, it's a clear indication of incompatibility. But if there's no significant reaction, it's a green signal. So, through a combination of in vivo and in vitro testing, doctors can determine whether a donor's organ is a good match for a patient like Jane. This process, though time-consuming and complex, is crucial in ensuring the success of organ transplants and reducing the risk of organ rejection. In summary, tissue compatibility is essential in medical procedures such as organ transplants. In vivo and in vitro assessments, involving testing within and outside a living organism, respectively, are used to determine this compatibility. The goal is to ensure that the patient's immune system will accept, not attack, the transplanted organ. This meticulous process is a testament to the intricacies of our bodies and the lengths medical professionals go to ensure successful treatments. So the next time you hear about organ transplants, remember the story of Jane and the intricate dance of in vivo and in vitro testing that ensures successful procedures. And remember, it's not just about finding a heart. It's about finding the right heart.